Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change Duolingo app icon. So first of all, what you have to do is open your App Store or Play Store on Android. If you are using Android, then you have to download this application called Links Shortcut Manager. If you're on the iPhone, you have to download an app from your App Store called All Shortcuts. The process is like 90% the same, and what you have to do is open the shortcut application that you have just downloaded. And from here you have to go to the applications tab. From here you have to search for Duolingo or any other application that you want to change the icon. So I will search for Duolingo and click on Duolingo, and I will click on add to home screen. Click on add to home screen. Now from here you'll be able to see the Duolingo icon. In order to remove or change the icon, what you have to do is click on camera, or you can also click on your gallery icon and select any picture or any icon from your gallery. In today's video, I will click on camera and just take a picture of a dark room and click on the tick button and select this black screen. And as you can see, the Duolingo icon has been changed. I can also change the name like Pro Duolingo, or whatever you can name it, just like language app, or you can type anything. Click on done, and after you're done, what you have to do, you can also set emojis for anything. So after that you have to click on use button, and it will create a shortcut with this icon and name. As you can see, it has created a Pro Duolingo shortcut for me. What I will do, I will long press this icon and I can place anywhere inside my home screen or my lock screen. For instance, if I move it here, as you can see, there is a Pro Duolingo icon that I have just created. If I click on it, as you can see, it will open the Duolingo app for me, and that's how you can change Duolingo app icon. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.